99 Chevy Suburban. I'm sorry, 99 Chevy Silverado 1500 4.8 motor. It's the first time doing this. Let's see what it does. Let me give you a good view. Go behind the camera. Alright, hopefully that stays. She didn't smoke that much, but I'm going to take her out on the highway and see what she does.